Hey guys, I'm Andrew, this is Brooke, and on today's video we're going to unbox a smart home vacuum. So if you guys have been around a while, you know that we occasionally will unbox a new smart home item. This is the Samsung Powerbot r7040. It is Wi-Fi connected, and you might say, why would you need a Wi-Fi connected vacuum? And it also works with Alexa. So you can say things like, Alexa, vacuum my house, and it will go, you want to start opening? Or like,
I'm not sure about that.
You can, I read the instructions. Or you can do things like start it when you're not home, if you have to start it before you leave kind of thing. The things I like about this one is it's got a camera system built into the top of it. You need help?
I think we have to cut that.
Well, that's why there's a name. Really nice foam and batteries and stuff in the top. What I was saying before is it has, see if I can get it out. It has a camera here in the top that reads your ceiling. So say it's running up against something in the middle of your floor. It can detect that it's in the middle of the floor and route itself around it because it knows that it's not a wall because it's reading the actual print of the ceiling. So we're going to go ahead and time-lapse unwrapping all this stuff and we'll get it set. So just looking at this, it actually comes with a remote. I was not expecting that. It's got things like schedule, clock, sport, sound, looks like maybe different speeds, a power button, and you might even be able to control it from that.
Yeah, it looks like you can tell it to clean it from here.
No, like steer it.
Oh, yeah.
So it comes with batteries for the remote. The little dock, you'll have this on the floor, it'll automatically dock with it and recharge itself. It also has a feature where if it's vacuuming the house and it senses it's not going to have enough battery to finish the whole house, it'll go back, charge it itself, and then come back and finish. It can pick up where it left off. You can even look at the app that it comes with and it will tell you where it's vacuumed, and that way you can look and see if it's missed anywhere in the house.
And of course we have the manual.
This is I think it's the lowest powered option that they have as far as suction. I think we'll be okay though because we have some pretty, not thin carpet, but it's not very thick like you get in some places, and we have wood floors, so it's not like it has to suck through a lot of carpet or anything like that.
I'm really excited about this.
So there's kind of a better look at that camera that does the sensing of the ceiling. You've got your little basket here. It does have a filter on it.
The app is called Smart Things, and in parentheses it says Samsung Connect. It's, I think, their app for controlling all their smart home appliances, their smart home stuff.
Pop out, and then you can dump the stuff into the trash. Like so. Oops. Yeah. It's actually got a little tab right on the filter, which is kind of nice. So we'll go ahead and get the app set up and get this set up on the actual floor, and we'll see how it does.
I have the app downloaded. You have to sign into a Samsung account, and we have one for our TV that I'm going to sign into just to have everything signed into the same account. I'm going to go to add a device.
Holy cow.
Hey, a refrigerator. We have a fridge. I don't think it's that one.
No, it's not a smart fridge.
Robot vacuum on the next screen. Agree to use your Samsung account to control this device. Sure.
Yes, please.
On the remote control, press and hold the clock button or dust button for Max U series. That's not ours.
There is a little power button here on the bottom of the vacuum that we had missed before. So we're gonna try that. See if that works. I went through kind of a countdown. It started off with 4 5s all the way across, and then it went 4, 3, 2, 1. Did a countdown all the way down, and then these 2 little icons at the bottom popped up. So I think that was it waking up. It says in the manual that it might take a little bit for it to wake up. So we put it on the charger, gave it maybe 5-10 minutes, and then that happened. So we're gonna try to hold the clock button. There we go. That's the AP we're looking for. You're gonna hit next in the app. So you click on robot vacuum, and then each vacuum in the app will pop up with a password that you have to enter. So you put in your password that shows up in the app to the vacuum, and it connects to the internet. Then you want to go back to the vacuum app and press the home button that it has up at the top here on the remote. And it's processing. Now you want to find your Wi-Fi network and put in your Wi-Fi password. Now it's just sending the Wi-Fi information to the vacuum. I don't know if it's doing some sort of update, but we now have the little Wi-Fi signal on the vacuum. Alright, we now have the TV and the vacuum. And the vacuum's downloading stuff, so who knows how long this will take. So the app finished uploading. You've got all your, you can do suction power, battery status, history of where it's been, schedule, set times that you want it to vacuum at, settings, so you can set the clock and things like that. Alright, so we've got 1 bar of battery, so we're just going to drive it around and play with it. To do that, I'm going to hit remote. I'm going to hit the play pause button. It's going to power up. And forget our dog. And you hear it powers up there. And it started to do auto, but I can also take over just by pushing the buttons on the remote, and now I'm controlling it. Let's go over by the bird cage, because the bird is very messy. Cool. Max, your toy's in the way. Is it hitting the toy?
Yeah.
And then it's got the power button on it. That'll just power it off. See what we got. We did run it once before, so there's a little bit in there from before. What is that? We actually got quite a bit of stuff in that little bit of a pass that we did. Oh, it says pour right there. So there's lots of little bird food in there, Alan, and then some hair down there. Let's go ahead and dump that. Alright, so I got that dumped out, and we're going to send it home to charge. Just hit the button. And it's charging. Cool. One of the things I'm slightly worried about is we have some pretty high transition strips from like our wood floor to our carpet in our house, and I'm not sure it's going to make it up over that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to manually drive it to it and see how it reacts. Wow. Alright, let's try going back, Max. Oh. Wow, that's actually way better than I thought. So obviously that's not a problem. Linked it to the smart home devices so we can just tell it when we want it to go. So that's always fun. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you've got any questions about the vacuum, leave them in the comments down below. We'll also have it linked through probably our Amazon affiliate, so if you buy it through that, it helps out the channel a little bit. We get a small cut, it doesn't cost you any more, but we get a little bit of that money so we can keep making more videos and continue putting out new smart home devices for you guys.
Let us know if you have a smart vacuum and how you like yours. And make sure you're subscribed, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.
Alexa, vacuum the house.